name is Chad Bishop here, one of my favorite buildings in downtown Fort Lauderdale, New River Landing. Walk into this grand lobby with a front desk that for security. That front desk is 24 hours. Now let me show you some of the amenities. Come on. On both sides, you have sitting lounging areas with extra high ceilings. For those of you looking to walk downtown, this is a 5-minute walk to Las Olas. You have your ATM machines. As you walk in, you have a ping pong table, spinning, racquetball court, and basketball court. Now I'll take you out to the full gym. All of these amenities are 24 hours. If you're a cardio person, a yoga person, a weights person, look at this gym. 24 hours included in your HOA. Welcome to the New River Landing Spa floor. Let's go. So as you walk in, you have a women's and a men's locker room, which has a sauna and a steam room. Now we'll take you out to the Zen Garden. As you walk out to the right, you have your hot tub. It's got a maze of rocks. It's beautiful out here. 2 barbecue areas. When you're done cooking your food, you have a picnic right here in the meditation garden. Now to one of the best parts of this building, the Sky Lounge or the pool. Your 180 view of the ocean and the city. You can play pool up here, you can have parties up here. Look at this rooftop pool. Yes. Views all the way down to Miami, all the way up to Boca. It doesn't get better than this. The New River go all the way down to the ocean. And that is why this is one of my favorite buildings. Not only is this a splash deal,